Hello, this is Noemi Smith here at Curious Mondo, and we are going to make a dragon, just like the one you can see here. We're going to be working in polymer clay, and I'm going to teach you how to sculpt the dragon, some tricks and how to make the skin textures. We're going to be talking about types of dragons and how your imagination can take you to this amazing journey. You're gonna love it, especially if you are into fantasy characters. This is going to get you out your comfort zone and make you actually a better a sculptor, a better artist, a better doll artist. You can challenge yourself into making something different. Yeah, we have a lot of fun making this guy during the class, and I will show you in some bonus classes how to make the removable wings and the tail. We're gonna do some airbrushing also for painting, and yeah, you are going to have fun. You're gonna love this class, so get it now.